Basically understand the machine learning lifecycle, which we can also call it as a ML life ops. The very first step we have frame the problem. First, you need to frame the problem. What exactly solution you are going to build? You need to first understand this. After understanding this, you need to gather the data. This is the time where you need to collect the data. You can have the data from multiple bunch of sources. Like you can have the data from API, from the JSON, CSV, through the web scraping as well. Like from the databases. After collecting all of the data, now this is a time where you need to do a data pre-processing. What exactly it is? Let's say this is an example. Let's say this is a data I got from the CSV file, and CSV file or maybe from the JSON file, and what I need to do is store in my data. What I actually need in my data, I need to store the string of the characters. I don't want any unwanted like this forward slashes, full stops, commas. So this is a step where I need to do a data pre-processing where I can remove these bunch of the things where I don't want, which I don't want in my data. Now, after doing all those things, now I have a pre-processed data with me. After that, I can do the exploratory data analysis (EDA), which I call it. Uh, what exactly it is, where we need to understand the features. Feature means a column. In the machine learning we call a feature as a column, so we need to understand the relationship between the features. We can have like, it's not like we can have only a one column. We will have a different columns, and in different columns we need to understand what exactly is going on. What is the relation between all those columns? We need to go through with the charts, pie charts, the graphs. Then after all these all things after these all after doing all those things, what we need to do, we need to do the feature engineering. This is the step where we need to basically fill the missing values. If we have any missing value in the data, we need to fill all those values, and after that we can do the outlier reduction. Is there a outlier reduction is a separate thing. You can search it on the Google, or maybe I can make a separate video on that. After that, you can do the feature engineering. Feature engineering, like where whichever data is required, whichever the required data which is good for your machine learning model, where we need all those steps here. After doing that, we need to select the model. We need to go through all of the model one by one. We cannot directly select that. We can have to go through one by one, whichever going to predict, like giving the prediction a very fast, which is going to give the best accuracy. We can go with that. After that, we need to deploy those. We can have two techniques of deployment, like batch learning, online learning. After deploying your machine learning model, we can do the testing. We can have a multiple testing like beta testing, A/B testing. After doing the testing, we need to optimize our machine learning model by the time. Otherwise, you will be lag behind and your model get deprecated. So yeah, that's it.